What are you doing, little boy? Huh? You coming to watch Mummy while she edits and puts up videos? Huh? Look at her little face, you're so cute! Hey guys, so today we're gonna try and go down and have another look at the house. Just finished doing a video for today. I did a video using the Too Faced chocolate gold palette. It's pretty good. So that tutorial will be up way before this vlog, so if you haven't seen that tutorial then I will link it in the description box down below. So yeah, so I did my makeup today. It's Australia Day, we've got nothing to do, I'm not at work, so we're pretty much going to go down and see the house. There's quite a lot to show you guys, so much has happened since the last vlog, so I'm gonna try and show you guys. Yeah, you'll be able to see like what our bricks look like, and yeah, it's getting exciting. We also got an email yesterday from the Beauties saying that like we're going to be getting handover within 6 to 8 weeks. So yeah, that puts us in March being finished. So fingers crossed that it all goes the way that it's going at the moment. I need to really get on to start organising what I'm going to have for my makeup room, for my closet, and yeah, if it's only 6 to 8 weeks away, I've got a lot of work to do to organise everything and start packing. So yeah, anyway, we're going to go head down to the house and have a look. We're like off to see the house now. James has just gone to get some petrol. It's going to be a sad day, getting rid of my car tomorrow. My car is basically the reason we met, so it's going to be a sad day to see that one go. But yeah, I feel a little weird sitting in a petrol station filming myself, so I'm gonna go and we'll show you the house in just a second.
The rest of them are pretty good. It just says couple in the front. They won't replace the,
It does look really good though. It's about time anyway.
Holy shit.
That's just like dirt though.
No, it's like where there's some shit on it. It's like eating through it.
Wonder if anybody's living up there. James's wardrobe. So glad that we got these columns because they look really nice. I was saying I'm so glad we got these columns.
Yeah.
Because they look really nice.
It's like echoey.
Yeah. I know. I think it's good that we got them to like go through the house as well. I feel like we should do something feature wall with that like centre bit.
Maybe.
Because it looks plain. It's supposed to look better.
It's not official one, really.
Something like feature-wise, they would be nice.
Do a nice big windows.
Yeah, for sure. Big windows, tall ceilings.
Can I look at this garden? These garbage cans. Yeah.
Where it's like dented.
Yeah. Gotta get replaced.
When are they going to replace it though? 10 years time? No. Not long now. Anyway guys, so that's basically what the house is at the moment. I'm probably gonna still show you the next stage as well in this vlog, because I mean this vlog's probably going to be very short if I don't show you that. So by the time that this vlog actually gets posted, we'll probably be almost in the house. But yeah, so that's what it's looking like at the moment. We've got all of the bricks, well not all of the bricks, but we've got some of the bricks starting. All of the kitchens and cabinets and stuff are in. And yeah, so I'll be back in maybe a week or two to show you some more. I'll see you then. So basically the reason why me and James met was because I had a Subaru that was basically the same as him, and then he got these matching, what are they called? Banners for our cars that we could, you know, have kind of matching cars. But tomorrow I'm giving up mine, which is the one over there. And yeah, I'm not gonna have him any longer. It's a sad day, but we're moving on to bigger and better things. I'm gonna miss him though. Oh well. Bye, Mr. Cindy. So I just took off the banner, so they're not matching anymore. I figured that if I'm getting rid of it, the new owner isn't allowed to have that sticker. I don't want the new owner to be matching. So now this is what he looks like. Just gonna finish taking out all of the things that I've added myself, and then he gets to go tomorrow. I don't even get to say bye to him. James is gonna take him to the people and get rid of him. Anyway guys, I'll let you know when there's a new update on the house. Ryan reference. Hey guys, so apologising for the lighting at the moment. I'm just in the spare room. I'm trying to pack for moving. I figured I kind of need to start packing, so that's what I'm doing tonight. This is where I've been storing all of my shoes. If you've been watching me from the start, I had my shoe shelving in my beauty space, and it just took up so much space, and I just didn't have anywhere to do anything, so I moved it, and now it's just in the spare room in this little like corridor part, so like all of our spare junk is over there, so it's literally just a walkway of shoes in amongst all of our just crap. So yeah, I'm basically just packing today, because like I would have said previously in the vlog, we got an email saying that our house will be ready in 6 to 8 weeks. So yeah, I need to start getting ready, because I'm not going to have all of the time in the world to be able to do this, because I work 5 days a week. So, you know, But yeah, so that's what I'm up to today. Got my snacks ready, and yeah, just gonna start putting my shoes away. As you can see, I've got quite a few, so quite a few, you mean like a ton, Hannah, and like over here as well, and over here as well. I've just got a lot. But yeah, I've got a lot of shoes, so I might even count them while I'm putting them away because there's tons. I'm kind of one of those people that like hoards things. I hoard shoes like crazy. I collect them just like I collect makeup. And yeah, sorry about my face too. It's really red. I hate having a bare face on camera, but my face is just ugh. I wasn't going to put on makeup for this because like I'm just going to be cleaning out my room and I just don't want to do that, so. But anyway, I'm one of those people that collects shoes just like I collect makeup, and I just have a lot. So these are gorgeous, by the way. These are gorgeous. I need to wear my shoes more often. I've kind of made it my goal that when we move to the new house, since it's a new year, I'm going to try and wear my shoes more often. The only issue is that most of my shoes are high heels, so that would mean that I will need to wear high heels up the street doing basic tasks, but I might just do that anyway. Put on some makeup, put on a nice outfit, and wear some nice shoes, and go do my grocery shopping. Why not? Why not pretend like I'm a millionaire and dress up every day of my life when I'm not at work, because I can't dress up at work. But yeah, so I'm gonna go jump into packing. And yeah, I'll see you soon. Oh, and by the way, I don't think I mentioned it, but the raspberry cheesecake Kit Kats, they're my like favourite Kit Kats in the world. I don't even think Woolies or Coles or anywhere sells them anymore, so I have to get mine from the reject shop. They're only $2 all the time, but that's the only place that I found that still has them, which kind of sucks because they're my favourites, so I can only ever get them from there. Anyway, back to packing. We have tiles. Very good. I'll let you know if anything else changes. I'll see you soon. Bye.